Hello reception. We're going to read a book called Rainy Days, written and illustrated by Yano Ko. You have an ebook version that you can follow along with. V is a honeybee. He has an important job of collecting nectar from flowers. Every day, V goes into fields and gardens, visiting beautiful flowers to collect nectar. The nectar is used to make honey. Honey processing. One day, it started to rain very heavily. V and all the other bees had to stay in the hive. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days. It rained and rained for many days. No one knew when the rain would stop. Everyone was worried. V felt scared and worried too. He did not like the change. V talked to his friend Z about how he felt. Together, V and Z came up with a rainy day plan. Rainy day plan. Number 1, learn. Number 2, play. Number 3, rest. V and Z read, played games, wrote letters to their friends, danced, drew, and did other fun projects. Dear Aunt, I miss you. Hope you are okay. Love, V. They still really missed going out. Some days V did not feel like doing anything at all. N-O spells. When V got worried, Z stayed with him and they blew bubbles together. It rained for many days. Days and weeks slowly passed. Snakes and ladders, painting, skipping. One day the rain finally stopped. They could go out again. V was thankful that he and his friends were safe. The end.